Hospital bed space in Arizona is running out. Good evening, I'm Mitch Carr in for Mark Curtis tonight.
And I'm Kariba Devine. The number of cases across the state continue to climb. We now have more than 116,000 cases, with more than 4,200 new ones reported today. More than 2,000 Arizonans have lost their lives to the coronavirus. Right now, there are only 12% of inpatient hospital beds available and only 11% of ICU beds available.
The mounting COVID death toll is forcing some hospitals in the valley to order refrigeration trucks to store the bodies. Team 12's Bram Resnick explains whether the trucks will be needed.
Experts say ordering refrigeration trucks is basic emergency planning. But in Arizona's case, the planning is getting real as COVID-19 deaths climb. A stark image, symbols of looming death overshadowing the most powerful symbol of freedom.
Feels like we're heading towards what we had in New York.
New York had to use refrigeration trucks for the bodies of coronavirus victims. There was nowhere else to put them. Arizona might soon have to do the same.
You don't order a service unless you anticipate that the service is going to be needed very soon.
The Valley's Abrazo Hospital say they've ordered refrigerated storage in case their morgues fill up.
I think that they're seeing kind of the long road here. And the long road means more deaths, more mortality.
Arizona's COVID death count has surged. 500 deaths reported in just the last 14 days. That's 1/4 the total reported in the last 5 months. An Abrazo spokesman says their morgue isn't full. But Phoenix Mayor Kate Gallego's office says an Abrazo representative told a recent emergency management meeting that the Abrazo morgue was at capacity.
We received an update that there are serious capacity concerns with the morgue at Abrazo Health. Abrazo serves a population that has been hit incredibly hard by COVID-19.
Maricopa County ordering refrigeration and hiring staff, with the medical examiner's morgue running at 96% of capacity. The increase partly COVID-related.
We need to be worried and take this seriously. Too many Arizonans have lost their lives.
In Phoenix, Bram Resnick, 12 News.